Say hi, Becky. Hi, Robert. Say, I can smile. I'm a good smiler. I'm really happy. And look at my big old legs. Woohoo! Sumo wrestler style. Check out those legs. Woohoo! Can you smile again? And say, hey, Becky. Hey, Robert. Hey, Beady. Hey, Gammy. I think that was just our first laugh. Okay, I've got our first laugh on camera. Didn't expect that. Say, hey, Robert. Hey, Becky. Hey, Beady. Hey, Gammy. Hey, Larlar. Can you laugh again? Oh, little cat noise. Yeah. Alright, and just one more look at those legs. Woo! So sometimes I get real excited and I start doing the backstroke. Oh, yeah. Can you smile one more time? Alright, say good night. Good night. Show you my belly. Woohoo! Good night.